was very inspired, and I thought the message that has been put out there was very good, was very good value for money.
And he said he's going to add value in lots of people's life, especially with the topic of today, life mastery in leadership.
I think it's excellent, really. It was one of the best conferences I have here, and I enjoyed it. I'm sure that my life will change. Thanks, Mr. Angajan.
My name is Matomi Mudipa. I'm the Executive Chairman of Sparta Group of Companies. What I took about this seminar today, and thanks to Angajan, is the self-mastery. When I came here, I just wanted to understand his views, and I found that what he was teaching us here resonated very well in the way in which I lead my company and the way in which I'm trying to teach my executives as well as the people who work with me.
It's been a very inspiring, elevating and empowering morning.
And it's been pretty thought-provoking.
You know, we spend so much of time, effort and money decorating this body of ours, but we tend to neglect the inner body, the soul, the thing that drives this useless body, the body which is useless without the soul, without the mind. And really, Angajan Ji put a lot of that into perspective and given us so much to think about.
I found that this message has been very inspiring.
It helps us to reflect, and it helps us to develop our inner self and not only gain, external knowledge from universities.
So far, what I've gathered is this besides being super fantastic, it's taught me the innermost in myself.
My name is Leena Sarabjit. I'm a partner at Moore Stevens. What I took away from the seminar is that, every single person has a desire, has a need for any specific thing in their life, but we all don't necessarily know the steps on how to get there or how to achieve that. This seminar sort of bridged the gap between that, and that is absolutely invaluable to me.
Can be successful in anything that I want to do in my life. Now I believe right now that I can be an example to the youth in terms of leadership. I can be an example to young entrepreneurs today that you can be very successful entrepreneur.
The session was awesome. I've been a follower of Angajan for quite a while. Truly inspirational man, and he's always motivated me in terms of all his CDs, especially the 5 C's of success. It's really, really inspirational messages that can take us as business leaders to another level.
To ensure that I do everything in my life with real value and with as most efficiently and productively as I can. And to do that, you have to look for the best source of knowledge, and I think that the knowledge that Angajan has transferred is exactly that.
Look forward to saying that you are taking this decision that is not based on a selfish decision, but a selfless kind of work that we are involved in, and to be clear about the fact that the mind and the intellect needs to work in that kind of harmony so that you could bring love, care and dignity to the elderly and the colleagues that work with us in this business of caring. I found that this was very impressive, and I'm certain I'll be able to provide them with greater confidence in their own confidence, as it's done for me today as well.
If I can use an analogy of what I took away from the seminar of an IT structure, the knowledge and the information shared in this seminar was sort of the software, and Angajan helped us re-engineer the software with values that that we will take across many lifetimes, and that was really, really great, and for that I am eternally grateful.
I've really enjoyed the focus of introspection, that you had to look in on yourself and discover for yourself how you can give meaning to the rest of the world and the people around you.
It's so true when you say, if I change, the world changes.
And therefore today's session is an eye-opener, no doubt, but again is a reminder of a lot of things that we live by and we could grow by.
And I definitely know it's going to help me evolve further.
It's worth a fortune. You can't put a price on a workshop like this.
The idea of what we can do to become better leaders, to become better managers, was very well put forward, and I think it would be something that I can take forward from here.